What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, Five Below has so many cute new things. I'm back here by Makeup, and they have some super cute makeup brushes. I think this one is my favorite. It says, "Good morning, gorgeous." This one is also new. That says, "Kiss me." And yes, you guys, these are all glass. Girls do it better. This one is also brand new. And this one, "Be as bold as your lipstick." The insides of these are all black, and they're just super nice. Look, you guys, and if you're into makeup, this is also brand new. Organize and store all of your beauty tools. It's by the brand Urban Butterfly, and it just looks really cute and compact. You can just stand your brushes up. I think it would also be really good for drying your brushes. Maybe if you just cleaned your brushes. Let me show you this over here, you guys. They have a really nice brush cleaning pad, this little mat. It's super huge. So if maybe you get this and then you clean your brushes, look, you guys, they also have the brush shampoo for $4. But if you clean your brushes and then maybe you want to stand them up and keep them all like nice and clean, you could stand them up in something like this. I mean, this is like super heavy and nice. I think the design is really cute. They have storage boxes for your makeup. They have the pink, they have this blue one, and then they also have purple. Those are $4. And then also for $4 they have these little drawers, these little mini organizers for $4, and they're available in lots of colors too. This is a pretty like bluish purple. The green. I think all of these up here are the same size. In case you guys missed my live stream, and if you want to check it out, go ahead and click right here. But in case you guys missed my live stream, this is one of the first things I just showed, because these are also brand new. These are the nice big pool bags or beach bags for $5. They've also added this Aloha. And they've added this one here, Feelin' Naughty. And these ones have been here. The Cactus, Life's a Peach, Always on Vacay. Here's a better look at the Life's a Peach. It's a solid white on the front and the back. I think they've added these as well too. These little $2 first aid kits. That would be really good to keep like in your locker or in the car, just in case. Okay, there's a new fragrance over here. It's this one. It's the Viva Las Vegas Blush. And it is a dupe for Rah Rah Rouge Rock the Rainbow by Juicy Couture. Let's go ahead and try it out. The lid's kind of pretty. Okay, let's try it out. It's nice. And the bottle is super pretty. I really like their perfumes from here. I think their dupes are really good. If you guys are looking for a good one, you guys are always hearing me talk about it, but this dupe for Kim Kardashian is amazing. I love it so much. It's my all-time favorite one from here. Okay, let's just look through the makeup real quick and see if anything's new. I think this has been here. They've added more of the matte setting spray for $4. Oh, and look, you guys, they've added some new sugar lip scrubs. We have strawberry, watermelon, mango, raspberry, peach, and cranberry. Let me know down in the comments what flavor you guys would choose. I wonder how good the mango is. Only one has been sold from this display. Sometimes you see the display and you're like, oh yeah, that's the one I'm gonna get, the one that's like sold out, because we kind of assume that maybe that's a really good one, you know? But we're not getting any help because only one is gone. This is pretty, you guys. This is the Pro Artist Liquid Lip and Liner Collection. It's the matte edition. I think that is brand new. And these lashes look really pretty and natural. These are the faux mink lashes, and they're just $3. Okay, what do you guys want to look at? You know what? I actually want to show you guys some more nails because I think they've added some more nails since last week. I think this set here is brand new for $5. I think this one is also new. And maybe this purple is new. I'm not trying to jinx myself or anything, you guys, but I'm kind of waiting for my nails to break. And if and when they do, I'll probably try a set of these out and let you guys know how good they are. Oh, these colors are so pretty, you guys. Look, this is by Limited too. And I think Justice bought out this company. So you guys know these were originally probably really expensive in the stores. No harsh chemicals. This is a water-based nail polish and it's super cute. And then they still have lots of these. I haven't tried this brand, but I really love these nail art stamping kits. I got one of these years ago when they first came out on eBay. I got one and I loved it so much. So I think this is a really nice deal because you get all the accessories and you get 5 plates. And I think this is new up here too. This is a smaller bottle of the Onyx Professional and Strawberry. This is nail polish remover and it has a little cap up here that's different than the ones down here. I'm going to try some of this out and I'll let you guys know how I like it. This is the Fast Drying Island Coconut Scent Nail Polish Spray. It conditions cuticles and nails and it says it's for no more smearing. I've never tried anything like that in my life and I've been wanting to try it for a really long time. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just grab a bottle this week and try it out because I've been painting my nails a lot, you guys, since the kids and I have been going to the pool a lot and we've been in the water a lot, and I've kind of needed to touch up my nails like really frequently. So I'm hoping that it's amazing and really helps my nails dry super fast. I got distracted by cuteness, you guys. Cuteness and kawaii stuff. They have these cute little chalk sets over here. They're so adorable. They have a few different sets of jumbo chalk, and they also have this light up bubble blaster. Oh, that reminds me, you guys, my kids really loved using some of the bubble machines that they have in here. There were some on display. You guys let me know if your store does the same thing, but my store always puts things out on display in front of the store on the sidewalk. And my kids tried one of these, like, I think it was like a bubble camera, and then the other one had 2 handles, and they really liked it. They said it worked really good. So I'm gonna see if I can find those bubble blowers up here. I'm not really sure where they are. Oh, look, you guys, these are new. Super heavy. These are super heavy. They're sports bottles with the little reusable ice cubes. Okay, let's see if we can find those little bubble makers. They have diving sticks up here. Mermaid diving sticks. They have the snorkel sets for $5. Okay, let's see. Hopefully I can find them. Okay. I see bubble blasters, pool stuff. I feel like I'm probably pretty close, but I really don't know where to look. Okay, they have water shoes here. The beautiful cactus container. Love that. Maybe they sold out of them. We have floaties over here and rainbow sunglasses, but I'm not seeing them. Wow, they've added a lot of like outside games, lawn darts, They've added spin toss. They have an inflatable limbo, trampoline ball, washer toss has been here, hook toss, that's new, ladder ball, that's new. Whoa, look at this, you guys. They have some rolling bags on wheels, like maybe rolling beach bags. That's my first time seeing these. And they also added some $5 folding chairs. Okay, do I dare try to do it with one hand? I think I do. Let's try. So here's what the folding chair looks like. It has a cup holder, it has armrests, a carrying strap. It doesn't list any weight limitations though. Oh my gosh, you guys have been asking for these. Look what I finally found. My store does have the swimwear. The one-piece rainbow swimwear and the one-piece black. They're very silky and very thin. I would suggest probably wearing one of these as a bodysuit because in the water I think it might be super sheer, but this would be a really cute bodysuit. Ooh, look at these new glasses. They've added some really cute new glasses. Are these navy? I think those are like a navy. Yeah, those are navy. They have the cutest glasses here. Well, hey you guys, that's it for me for this video. I think I'm gonna film one more video for you guys before I get out of here. Hopefully I can find the little bubble blowers that I was telling you guys about. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please show me lots of love by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.